Hello everyone, Rad over here. Hope you're having a great day. So a couple of months ago, I was in Ikea and I ran into this cool little gadget, which is this wireless charger. But what stood out to me is that you can stick it or drill it, for example, your tabletop or nightstand, so it's completely invisible. This gives the optical illusion that your device is charging on a piece of furniture, which I thought was pretty neat. But anyway, I had completely forgotten about it. And as I was restructuring my office the other day, I found it again. So yeah, let's look at it together. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. This device has a name, but for obvious reasons, I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. So I will just call it a charger. What the hell, Ikea? It costs around 50 euros here in Denmark, but almost everything is a bit overpriced over here, so it might be a bit cheaper in your country. Let's just jump into the unboxing experience. It comes in a super simple, standard IKEA packaging, nothing special. As you open it up, you have the charger itself, then you have the adapter with an instruction manual and a sticky tape with a plus marker so you know where to place your phone. What's important to notice in the instruction manual is the minimum and maximum thickness allowed for your surface, which is between 8 and 22 millimeters. The surface could be pretty much anything except for metal, so if you plan to install it on your night table, shelf or some thin desktop, you should be fine. The charging speed is nothing crazy, as it is a classic Q charger with maximum charging speed of 5 watts. There is a small LED on the bottom side which indicates if your device is charging or if there is any problem. Initially, I wanted to install this charger on my office desk, but as you can see, it's a bit too thick, so I decided to install it on my night table instead. First, I measured the area where I want my charger to be. Then you just simply apply the sticky tape on the top part of your charger and firmly stick it on the bottom part of your furniture and press for a little while. Now, take your plus marker and try to match it with the top part of your charger. And that should be pretty much everything. Now the moment of truth. And everything is working. I was using the Nomad Base Station Pro charger on my nightstand before, but I'm going to move that one to my office and try this IKEA charger for a while and see if I like it or not. So yeah, that's it for the video. Let me know if you know of some better alternatives on the market right now in the comment section below. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Follow me on social media, stay rad, and I'll see you next time.